Good morning, students. So, how are you all? So, students, as we know that chapter 7 is going on, and in this chapter, we already discussed so many topics, and our today's topic is airways. So, what is the airways or how it is beneficial for us? So, we will discuss this or we will understand this by some important points. Okay. So, airways provide the fastest means of transport. We all know that, and although they are the costliest ones, and it is also the most comfortable and prestigious mode of transportation compared to other transport. For inaccessible remote and hostile areas, airways are the best means of transport. During natural and man-made disasters, airways have played a vital role. So, I have a question to you. Why do you think air transport is preferred in the northeastern part of India? Do you know why? Okay, so the reason is that this area is covered with hills and dense forest, and many rivers with their frequent flooding schedule, dissected physiography and international frontiers which create many problems. So, accessibility and movability in these areas is difficult, and laying roads and railways is a Herculean task. So, air travel, on the other hand, is the best option to access these areas. So, this mode of transport can traverse difficult terrains, dense forest, and deserts, large rivers, and even large oceanic stretches with great ease. Though air travel is more expensive than any other mode of transport, special provisions are made to extend the services to the common people in the northeastern states. Okay, so at the time of independence, air transport was operated by private operators and it was nationalized in 1953. So after liberalization, private sector was allowed entry into this field, and first the Air India provides domestic and international air services. Now Air India is a government flight, and now we can discuss the some other airlines also, like helicopters. So helicopters are utilized to access difficult areas and remote and far-flung areas of like Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and the northeastern states. Now some special helicopter like Pavan Hans Helicopters Limited, it's a company. It supplies its services in offshore operations to oil and natural gas commission. It is in short we can say ONGC, and for traversing difficult terrains. And many private airlines operate round the clock on domestic and international routes, and some of these are AirAsia, SpiceJet, Go Air, Jet Airways, Air Deccan, and Air India, Indigo, and so many. Okay, so this is all about the airways, and that was a small topic. So it is finished now, and in the next video we will discuss about the communication. So till then, take care and bye bye.